Hey guys, today I'm teaching you what I found after using Travefy for 7 days. Is it beginner friendly or just side? Here's my honest take. From day 1 to 2, the setup and learning curve and signing up was smooth. The dashboard looks clean, but it took me a couple of hours to fully get the hang of the itinerary builder. For day 3 to 5, na using the features, I created my first client itinerary. And I gotta say, the drag and drop editor is really helpful. You can add destinations, activities, maps, and even your own branding. Clients can view the itinerary via shareable link or mobile app. It's super professional. What I did love, the CRM features are very basic, not ideal if you need deeper client tracking. No direct booking tools. You're still doing that outside the platform. It's $39 per month. May feel stiff for a new agent with few clients. So, is Travefy good enough for beginners? Yes, is your focus is on looking professional and staying organized. But if you need more automation or L1 tools, you might outgrow it fast. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a comparison with Turn or Travel Joy. See you in the next one.